Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ongoing device setup in iPhone battery. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue in your iPhone battery that your ongoing device setup, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to close this window, and after that the very first thing you have to check your software update. So open settings, go for general for software update, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending software update, or if you find any pending software update you have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, it will almost fix your issue. Or after that, if you're still having the same issue, so it might be that your iPhone must be going on your process, so you must have to be patient and wait for it. It will automatically fixed after 1 hour or 2 hour. It will be fixed in 24 hours. So you must have to wait and it will be fixed. Or you can try to make a force restart into your phones to quickly set up this. So you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. And after restarting, it will almost fix your issue, or it will faster your process of device setup, so it will be fixed automatically in up to 24 hours, so you must have to wait for it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.